I think for Taiwan, the key point for international cooperation is to create a kind of infrastructure as a platform for both hardware and software can get together. As we know, Russians have very good scientists, and Taiwan have very good industrial production or commercialization. So in such a way, when I arrive a Russian, I find to create a kind of platform, for scientific research and then transfer for this industrial cooperation is one of the key points between these two countries. So actually, the national support of the country is provided by Ministry of Science and Education, is by government. Certainly we have several projects. For example, we have goal-oriented project, which is support for international cooperation, for big facility, for big team, excellent team, for this kind of research. And certainly we try to nowadays not only for fundamental research, but also try to make this kind of team to become more entrepreneurial-like. For example, there's a new project, we signed project with a Russian Science Foundation, and we also emphasize this kind of research can be transferred for industrial application. Okay, so actually, APEC region is important for this international kind of competition, especially nowadays, big economic problem in each area. And certainly we know APEC area have a kind of special nature and also resource. So for example, in Russia, you have very good scientists. And in Taiwan, we have some kind of industrial production. It's very famous for ICT production for this. And we know nowadays in China, there's a big labor market, certainly. Before in Japan, they have a big advance in this kind of research production. And nowadays, for example, in India, in Singapore, in Malaysia, they're trying to grow up. So this kind of cooperation between APEC certainly is important. I think most important is to make a kind of people movement of each other. People try to know each other and have more projects to link together. That's most important.